On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook login problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Facebook app and click on it. And now you have to go into the data usage, and here you will find all the network access options. Disable the roaming data, the background data, and the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and then enable them back again. Go back and now click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data. All these apps data will be deleted. This includes files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Click delete and then go back, click on clear cache. Go back again and now click on this open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app. Make sure to choose always allow. Now go back to the home page and open the Play Store. Search for Facebook and make sure to update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.